from SMB. Right, I welcome you all on the weekend in which we will be discussing about the franchisee opportunity with SMBA. So we are privileged to have two esteemed members in our team amongst us. One of is our franchisee partner, Mr. Rajdeep Ghosh, who will be sharing his valuable experience with us, and also we are having Mr. Gaurav Agarwal, who is the founder of SMBA Consultants and co-founder of Planet. Right. We will be going to the entire process, and I request to all my participants to be very cooperative and be participative as well. Like whenever you are having any questions, any doubts, please feel free to ask those questions first, and we guarantee you one thing: each and every minute you spend out here with us, it will be worth your money and worth your time, right? So I will be quickly requesting Gaurav sir. So please join us and please take this ahead.
Good evening, everyone. So, as Shomo rightly pointed out, to set the tone, we all value your time. Thanks for taking out time from your busy schedule to learn with us, to learn with SMBA consultants. So, essentially, the topic for the day will be growing with the right kind of a business. And a fair disclaimer to all the participants, to all my fellow entrepreneurs out here: this is actual work. This is essentially hard work, and we cannot escape the hard route. Okay, who all get this kind of a reaction? You guys can use the chat and write me. If normally in this, so much in this online virtual world, there is too much of online fatigue and so much of webinars going on. Do you guys feel that? You can use the chat and write me in the chat box. Okay. So moving on, let us set some hygiene rules, some group rules, some Zoom rules actually. Let us be participative, be active, and whatever value that we are trying to generate throughout the session, take action, my friends. Very important. It should not be another binge watch for you. Try and see what you can learn from us and what you can implement. Very important. And yes, as I already mentioned, given a fair disclaimer also, this is actual hard work and meant for people who are sincere, not for quick money making or impatient mindset. It is very important for those. Let me start with my introduction. I am son of my mentor, husband to a superwoman, father to Shlok and a Bhagavad Gita follower. I am a proud Zavarian and a chartered accountant by academics. Currently, I am a part of IIM Kashipur cohort as well and a core entrepreneur at heart, founder of SMV Consultants and co-founders Planet. My single tunnel focus is to work and help more and more corporates to build the right team through my HR franchise network. Through the HR franchise network, through the network which I am trying to address, probably some of the prospects I can see out here as well. Very important. So I can see voice not connecting. Is my voice not audible? If everything good, Shomo, if you can give me a thumbs up. If the voice is good and the video is audible, video
Yes,
you can
sir.
see.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. It's fine.
Okay. Great. So I am currently on a mission to enable, to empower 1 lakh plus candidates through our 100 franchise network by 2021. So son of my mentor, as the photo you can see out here, I am standing with my mentor, my dad, husband to a superwoman. The person sitting next to me like a boss is the superwoman I always talk about, my better half, Priyanka Agarwal. My friends, 6 months have been very crucial. More than 160 days lockdown, 22nd March, the Janta curfew initiated. And I can assure you one thing, that many of you must have failed or probably seen so much of ups and downs. So one observation that I had, I wanted to share with all of you about the importance of failure. Talking about myself, I had been a consistent topper and a merit holder during my school and college days. But the first roadblock that came in was during my first attempt of CA final. I failed. I failed during my first attempt of CA final, and that is where I realized that okay, it is not enough. I mean, it's completely okay that you can fail in your life. That time itself, I came across a rule by Australian Army. The Australian Army rule stated that they admit only those soldiers who have failed at least once in their life. That is the power of failure, and that is where I also realized enough. I mean, failing is completely okay, but more important is how you essentially bounce back. Yes, bouncing back is the most important characteristic for everyone. So I attempted my started accountancy again, and I completed it in the second attempt. I landed a job in Bangalore and eventually did some abroad assignments at Unilever South Africa. I was at the peak of my career, became the youngest chartered accountant with foreign exposure, yet something was missing. Now, what was that missing link? I will talk about in the next piece of my entire thing. So I always say surround yourself with the most positive people. So if I talk about the network which I am into, say franchise network or the entrepreneurs group, or probably according to me, the first periphery, the first set of positive people I talk about is family. And essentially, family was the reason why I quit my job and I came back to Kolkata. When I came back to Kolkata, I was again searching for a job. When I started hunting for a job, I came across a fraud. Okay, I came across a consultant who asked me to deposit 13,500 rupees and they duped me. They did not actually give me a job. Many youngsters, when I that time did a survey, I noticed many have actually got into that kind of a scam. That is the point, the triggering point where SMBA consultants was initiated. The primary objective of SMBA consultants was to help more and more candidates and job seekers. So essentially cut to 2020 now. So we are also working on another planet, which is by the name of Co-Founders Planet. So Co-Founders Planet is an exclusive community of CXOs, advisors, co-founders, startups, etc. And mostly it is again a problem solving approach wherein we are trying to help with the existing problem of CXO hiring and co-founders matching. And those who become a part of SMBA consultants, we ensure that they also become a part of Co-Founders Planet free of cost. So this is the Startup India recognition for Co-Founders Planet. And we are also very active in the Middle East, North Africa. We are an elite active member of MINAFA. Very, very active throughout. You talk about TIE, Silicon Valley, Kolkata, Oregon, Indian Chamber of Commerce, Startup India, MSME, NHRWA. We are active everywhere. And let me tell you to whom this particular session belongs. And I need a minute of your time to actually see this slide and write in the Zoom group chat which category you fall in. Whether you are an entrepreneur or a job seeker, an HR head or recruiter, a startup owner, franchise investor, CXO, co-founder, or probably an MSME. Kindly use the Zoom group chat and write it for me, which category you see yourself in. Because your writing will give me a good clarity who I am speaking to, what kind of people I am talking to. Okay, I can see Chanchal Gupta, franchise investor, Shayantini, entrepreneur, Ranganath Surya, entrepreneur again. Okay, Sudha is a recruiter. Okay, Geeta startup, Rajdeep entrepreneur. Yes, Shravani entrepreneur, Sanjeev Banik job seeker. Okay. Interesting. So we have a good mix and match of crowd. Anuradha recruiter, Nabanita recruiter here again. Okay. So now these are questions which you should ask yourself and see if you are stuck anywhere. You are worried about the future of business. You want to streamline the revenue generation. You intend to maintain a strong and efficient business model. You need some tips and you have queries to survive in this crisis situation. You are struggling to get a job in your dream company. You think that a personal growth can be amplified with the right tricks. Then, my friends, my big promise today to you is you have landed at the perfect place. Saturday evening, where most of the people might be enjoying, you guys have taken the decision to attend this webinar. Very, very critical and important because you guys know that you need to grow. Yes. So very, very critical, and thank you for your participation. Now, I always use this meme, though this Bollywood celebrity has nothing to do with SMBA consultants. This is the story of a transformation. The image will show you transformation. So I'm pretty sure the franchise partners who actually join SMBA consultants, so they can essentially see the kind of transformation which we talk about. Okay. Now the game plan, the essential game plan, why I am here, what we will be doing. We will be talking about Corona times. Then we will be talking about the franchise, which Mr. Rajdeep, our special guest, will be talking. Then we will, so I would request everyone to kindly mute themselves. Okay. So then we will go into the opportunity with SMBA consultants. The piece will be taken up by our franchise development manager, Mr. Saurav Jana. And then he will also hint about some of the hacks for the entrepreneurs. So let us get started. Let us get started, my friends, with Corona times. Who all face this kind of a scenario? Sundays, Mondays, everything is same. Use the chat and write me in the Zoom group chat. You guys can use the chat box and write me in the Zoom group chat. If yes, this is the scenario which you face. Great, great. So strictly now jumping to the topic for the day, wherein we have divided the businesses into 4 different parts. It has been impacted in 4 different parts. So first being the high impact zone. The high impact zone are essentially those kind of businesses or individuals which have seen an impact so that their recovery takes minimum 1 year of time to actually bounce back. So if I talk about travel agencies, hotels, food chains, etc., these guys will take minimum 1 year of time to actually come back to their old revenue generation. Second category is the medium impact zone. So medium impact zone are those kind of businesses which will take a decent amount of time, minimum 6 months to 1 year, to basically recover from the impact created by Corona. So wherein when I talk about manufacturing industries, all those things, to get back the laborers, to have the efficiency back, it will take minimum 6 months or 1 year. Then comes the low impact zone. Low impact zone are those kind of businesses which will take minimum 3 months to 6 months time. If I talk about the e-commerce deliveries, all these things will take time, my friends. Then an interesting characteristic, then interesting business and a category, a zone has erupted known as the positive zone, the positive impact. What is the positive impact? Positive impact means those kind of businesses which have essentially seen a positive spike, a revenue increase in their entire business. So if I talk about the platform where we are talking, say Zoom platform, it has seen an immense hike. So the valuation of Zoom is considered to be greater than the combined valuation of 7 global airlines. You talk about Emirates, you talk about Jet, any big airlines, combined valuation of them also cannot beat Zoom's valuation. That is the power of positive impact. So if I talk about this online consulting, the essential business, your hyper local, your own Kirana store nearby, these are positive impacted businesses. Now, small task for everyone, analyze and use the chat to write where you stand, whether you are impacted in a high zone, medium zone, low zone, or positive. Please use the chat and write where you see yourself, whether you are high, medium, low, or positive. So I can see Ranganathan Surya, medium. Shayantini is medium. Uh, Rajdeep is again medium. Anuradha is medium. Sudha is medium again. Okay. So mostly belonging to the medium zone. The hit is mostly medium. Good that is not high, but yes, how we can actually go from medium to low and low to positive. That is what the exercise is all about. So the exercise here, when we actually analyze ourselves, then we should do a deeper understanding and see where your strategic advantage lies. So your strategic advantage might be good communication skills, your corporate relationships, your probably power of money. You can involve yourself, you have time, you have some training expertise, you have some domain knowledge, or probably you have some old unutilized asset, your attitude towards learning, because this is where your strategic advantage lies. You need to ascertain where you see yourself first at a superficial level in terms of zone, and then after that you should also see what is your strategic advantage. So that is a two level of study that we should be doing. And then, my friends, simple: take action. Take action after you are analyzing yourself. So you will ask me that most of you here fall under medium or probably high. So how you can do the transition? Where lies the hope? So I'll talk about the hope element as well. First hope essentially lies that we are an Indian. How? We are highly resilient. We have some inbuilt characteristics, like we are mostly coming from a humble family background. So we have a habit of staying on essentials. It doesn't impact us way too much. And mostly, as I told at the beginning of my slide presentation as well, we are hardworking and sincere. These are some of the important characteristics of an Indian, and mostly we have an appetite as well. So when the transport and everything started, 84 airlines were jam packed full in one day, and in 6 minutes 4 trains were full. That is something which shows the appetite of Indians. And if I talk about every other industry as well, the appetite still remains. In last 7 days, we have added 8 new clients because the appetite is there. Very, very critical and important. Now, the franchise insights, this will be taken in detail by Mr. Saurabh Jana as well. I will not invest way too much time on that. But yes, whenever you are taking any franchise, do take care of some of the points. First is prefer an asset light model. Do not, my friends, go for a heavy investment now, because it is very, very important to be very, very clear and be very focused that, okay, I'm not going to invest way too much because we do not know about the next time. Next is, as our Honorable Prime Minister promotes the work from home plug and play model as well, we are also providing a plug and play model. You can happily, this is a virtual model, you can join us and you can start working from home as well. Next, this, we should ensure that you get every tricks and training in your platter. So if I talk about SMBA consultants, we also continuously organize training sessions on a regular basis and see how we all can benefit. Plus, there are more than 3,000 brands in India which are franchising, out of which only 12% are national brands. So we held ourselves very proud and say that we are a complete 100% Swadeshi brand. Now, this, on this particular slide, I will leave my discussion and ask everyone present in the audience who all have seen this advertisement. A small Punjabi kid is there playing with his own small car and says, "Papa, khatam hi nahi hota petrol," and the background noise says, "Kitna mileage deti hai?" Kitna mileage deti hai? The Maruti Suzuki ad wherein the small Punjabi kid is playing with his old small car. If you have seen this ad, please put me in the Zoom group chat. Oh, great, great. Many people have seen this ad. So I'll tell you why I have used this advertisement. The simple reason why I have used this advertisement, the parallel I have drawn, because You should ask this question to every franchisor. Forget about buying SMB consultants. I am not here to sell you SMB consultants. But whenever you are going for a new business, even if you're thinking of starting your own business, very, very important to do that analysis of return on investment. पूछिए अपने फ्रेंचाइजर से कितना आरओआई देती है आपकी फ्रेंचाइज. And on that note, I will leave the discussion. I will pass on the baton to Mr. Shomo, who will talk to our guest. So over to you, Shomo.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the insight which you have shared us. So to our audience, I want to tell that we are very much privileged that we are having one of our esteemed franchisee owner, franchisee partner, who has come and shared his valuable time. So, good evening, Mr. Rajdeep Ghosh. Can you unmute yourself?
Hi, Shomo. Thank you for having me.
Yes.
Sorry for
welcome you, Mr. Ghosh. So I will be just quickly starting with one or two things. First, about your introduction. Can you please introduce yourself, like your background and how you get to know SMBA consultants and how is your experience so far? So an insight of it.
Yeah, sure. A little about me. I'm a resident of Orissa, Jagannath Puri. So about my educational background, I have a varied educational background. I have degrees in hotel management, a partial degree in chartered accountancy, a management MBA degree, law degree partial. So I have a varied education background. About the partnership with SMBA, I would say it started in the year, last year, December 2019. I had some of my businesses going on at that moment, but I was searching for such a business which could utilize the online potential, the potential of doing business from home, and as Gaurav rightly said, it's an asset-like model. So I was searching for such kind of business where the brain power is utilized, the trend of using internet is utilized, and it is an asset-like model. So after due diligence of about 7 or 8 months, I zeroed it on SMBA. Even after having a chat with Gaurav, I took 2 months to finalize my partnership with SMBA. And since then, we have been going strong. We have attended many events. We have been associated with SMBA family in many ways. It has been a great journey till now, and I hope it continues long. So that's it. Shomo?
Thank you, Mr. Razdi, for your wonderful words and insights. So, whenever a person is looking for a franchisee, so normally what they does is they normally do a kind of survey in their own territory, on their fields. So, what kind of survey one should do? If you can highlight on that part as well, which you have already also said that you have done.
Sure. I can shed some light. Being owner of 2 franchisees, I can shed some light on that. Pretty difficult at first if you don't zero in on the type of business you are trying to do. So first you need to do what kind of business you are looking for. Once you do that, then you have to see the competitors, the best providers of services, the brand names, everything, the financials, lot. But what clicked for me is the personal relationship. when I spoke to Gaurav, I had a feeling in my gut that I can do business with this person. He's a trustworthy person, an honest person. And sometimes these things work with some people. Sometimes these don't work. Sometimes we are more focused on the financial part. So we need to see what kind of product the company is selling of the potential for that product in future, in present, and am I audible?
We lost you for the past 10-15 seconds. You are audible now.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. I was saying product-oriented research for a franchise for some people would be more preferable. So we need to focus on the product's potential in the market in future, in present as well. If someone is looking at financials, the competitors' research is more good for selecting a franchise. SMBA, if I focus on SMBA in these factors, there is a great initiative from the management, top management, to entertain the franchise. So you have a direct connection with the top management. That's a good thing, which most franchises don't do actually. And there is a constant tie-up for various training programs, events. So that is a good way SMBA is going. We have been given training during the COVID period. We have conducted a lot of training sessions. Like yesterday also we had a session on AI, which is a new thing. So we can have these sessions and implement these things in our future.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. So whenever you were just stating about the chart, the charges and all. So I have a small question for you. Like, what do you think? Like, whenever a person is taking a franchisee, any hidden costs or any hidden charges, they are there, and how to overcome it?
Personally, I haven't faced this issue, but I have heard a lot of people saying that they have been duped.
Yes.
Being said a thing, but in actual, when they have joined afterwards, they have faced a lot of issues financially. But at SMBA, I haven't faced such an issue. Everything is very, very clear. We have whatever we have been told, that is the only charge plus GST. That's it. So that is very clear.
Okay. So if a person is thinking of taking up a franchise, okay, what are the chances and what are the things they want to ask SMBA before taking up the franchisee? Your take about it.
Look, being a non-HR person, I was a bit skeptical first, but the way Saurav and Gaurav both presented the opportunities which lay ahead in this industry was fantastic. So it depends on the person presenting to clear the doubts of the person approaching for franchise. So we as SMBA family need to be clear on what we are offering. We need to educate, because this, as I feel, this is a very virgin territory in India. Being an organized manpower provider as big as SMBA, because in India it's very unorganized. Being an organized player is it's important we educate the franchise interested people.
Okay.
they don't have questions. We have to provide answers to questions which they don't have actually.
Right, 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 right. And a question every day we are like coming across, and we always think whenever we are taking up a franchisee, if we are introducing ourselves for an HR field. So where do you think that from where it can be started? Do we have to invest for a office space, or do you have to invest for a rental home and all? So where do you think?
Right, right. I get it. Actually, Somo, regarding this, it's very easy. We don't need an office space actually for starting of, operations with SMBA. We just need a computer. That's it. We can start wherever we want. It's a very asset-light model. That's the best thing about this. That's why we haven't suffered much in these tough times.
Yes.
The best thing is we don't need actually a big investment in rented property or infrastructure or equipments or anything. Just our brain power. That's the first and last thing we need, and a computer.
And a computer. Okay, thanks. And nextly, like during this COVID situation,
Right.
so everybody is stuck from home and all. So what you have felt from SMBA's point of view, that the training support and the marketing support, the moreover interactive sessions and all, everything. So how did SMBA help you out with the interactive sessions?
Somo, at Tridhara, the family we are heading under the umbrella of SMVA. Tridhara family, we are working out of 2 cities. One is in Bhubaneswar. I am staying in Bhubaneswar, and my rest of the family is in Hyderabad. So Anuradha and Sudha are working out of Hyderabad at home. So being, as I was saying, asset-light model, I don't need an office in Bhubaneswar, and or Anuradha or Sudha need to be in Bhubaneswar to work it out. They are working from their home. So while these training sessions were arranged, it was very easy for us to attend those because everything was online. And we have been attending all the training sessions, and it has helped us enormously actually.
Yes.
Sudha being a non-HR person, she has a lot to gain from these sessions actually. And personally, I've spoken to her and I've felt the changes she has had in her work. The approach she has.
Her perception has changed, and got an insight also through the training session.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And whom you think that they are?
Somo, 1 second. Akshay, I think Akshay is not able to hear anything.
Acha. Mr. Akshay, is our voice audible to you now? Is my voice audible to you all?
Yeah.
It's clear for. Okay. Thank you. And as I was asking, that who can take up this franchising for SMB consultants?
Somo, what I have felt in the last close to a year, this field is open to all. Any person from HR field or non-HR, from finance, engineering, any business, non-business, anybody can take up this field. This is very open to everybody. Even if you are not very conversant with the ways of HR world, you can easily learn it in a very quick time, or you can hire somebody who knows the trade pretty well. So you can learn from that, and we have a very cooperative team, including you at the head office, who have been guiding us. Right. So we don't need to worry about that, who can and who cannot. Everybody can.
Everybody can.
But there must be a willingness and the zeal to do it.
Yes. And so let us quickly go for our final set of questions. Advice for our startup entrepreneurs, or who is going to take up this franchising. Any small tip from your end?
Don't lose hope. Have patience. Times will be good.
Okay.
That's for always.
Yes. Super. Thank you very much, Mr. Ghosh, for your precious time and giving us the insights on
Thank you.
this. Okay. So I will be requesting my fellow teammate, Mr. Saurav Jana, who is heading the franchisee development team. So Saurav, if you can come forward and share us the entire business process and please guide us through it. Over to you, Saurav.
Good evening, Shumu. Thanks for the lovely warm introduction. I will just take you guys through the details about our business opportunity and how one can benefit out of it. Right. So I believe my screen is visible to all. It should be a PPT that I have shared.
Yes, Saurav, you are.
Right. Right. Once again, my voice is not clear. Is this for Anuradha or for everyone? Am I audible, guys? I'll just take it forward. Hello? Is this audible? Oh,
Saurav,
yeah,
Yeah,
I
you're
see
audible. Yeah.
now it's
Now it's
audible.
audible.
So you have already heard to our my teammate and my MD sir as well as my assistant partner regarding the details about the franchise business. Yeah. So I'll just share some more insights with you at the moment. Okay. So what is SMBA Consultant? SMBA Consultant is basically India's fastest growing HR franchise network. Okay. It is a part of a 23-year-old enterprise called SMBA Group. So that is what SMBA Consultant is all about. Now you might be asking like, what are we into? So we are basically into three domains of work that we work with. We are offering services like recruitment, like outsourcing, and training and development. In recruitment, for example, we are associated with 850 plus corporate houses in 15 plus countries, and we are providing the right manpower support for these corporate houses against a one-time fee. This is called permanent recruitment. That is one of our key strengths. Next, we have payroll outsourcing. So we have tied up with the Razorpay, India's only one-click payment software solutions. So we have tied up with Razorpay that helps us, catering to the demands of the payroll outsourcing services of around 1 lakh corporate houses now. Next, moving on, we have another division called training and development, where we take care of the corporate trainings as well as the training for the job seekers. We often come up with training programs like resume writing or interview preparation. So these are our services that we provide. Clear? Moving on. So how do we work? SMB consultant basically works in a very much in a problem solving approach. So there is a problem, we are providing the solution. So for example, corporate houses, companies might be having a problem of building the right team, the right kind of manpower for their working staff. So we provide them the services of recruitment. Job seekers are looking for career-oriented training. We have a platform for e-learning. Companies are also looking for payrolling services as well as how to give out the payment for the vendors, the permanent employees or the contractual employees all at one go. We have a payrolling division. Also for startups being the new buzzword these days, we are also assisting the startups cater to their branding as well as their leadership hiring. We call this CXO hiring. Okay, so this is our problem solving approach. Okay, now just to take you through our other services, this is payroll outsourcing. This is, like I said, it's a one-click software. Okay, you don't have to install any software. It's just one click, and the payment and the compliance are taken care of. The most innovative part is we are giving the first month for free. We are very much sure on the product. We are sure that if someone uses this platform, they will be coming back to us. We have no problems giving the first month for free. Post which also our charges are very much nominal. We only charge the corporate houses 100 rupees per employee per month. Right? It's only 100 rupees, not a percentage, unlike other corporate houses. Next, this software also not only takes care of the PF and the ESIC, it also takes care of the 40 form 16 generation for people who are in the tax bracket, for senior employees, right? Moving onwards, so who are the ones we are catering to for the payrolling? You are seeing some of the brand names over here. If you have seen, you have known of Nika, you have heard of Shuttle, Yatra.com, Quicker. These are brand names you see on TV, right? Zomato, for example, right? So these are some of the corporate houses that are using Razorpay at the moment. So this is a very big moment for us as well, where we are serving 1 lakh plus merchants in India. Moving ahead to the franchise network, what is our ESP? Our ESP being the only one point corporate HR solution. We are the only brand in the country, guys, that provides the services in a platter. We provide services like e-learning, like recruitment, like payrolling. It's not like, this is all comes in one package itself. Okay. Also, we have the highest ROI with the lowest investment. Investment starts as low as 1 lakh rupees. Okay. Someone who wants to join hands with us, they can very well be a part of SMBA family, starting off with an investment of 1 lakh rupees only. Right. So, moving ahead, let's look at the other aspects. So, I'll take you to the franchisee facts first. Okay, in franchisee facts, you can see the various engagement models that we have. Starting off with channel partner, unit franchise, master franchise, and a global network partner. Let me give you an explanation of what each of these do. Right, a channel partner essentially is a marketing channel for SMBA consultants that takes care of the empanelment of for various clients and corporate houses. Right, in lieu of which they are getting a fixed compensation on each of the businesses that gets closed from their reference. Channel partners are not involved into recruitment activities. They basically are into promotional activities. Moving on to the next platform, we have the unit franchise. This is our most popular model, folks. We have 34 unit franchises, 33 unit franchise and one master franchise, actually. So 33 unit franchises we have in India at the moment. Unit franchises basically focus on the recruitment aspect. While I say unit franchises focus on recruitment, please do note they are not they are not exception to adding a client. If they have someone wants to add a new corporate house, they can very well do it. Okay. Next, moving on, we have the master franchise. Master franchise are given for individual states, okay, or individual geographical areas. For example, we have one from Mumbai that takes care of the entire operations of all the unit franchises in Mumbai. Okay, by operations I mean what are the works allotted to them, how are they delivering, everything they take care of. Next, we have a global network partner. Global network partners forms it's a supreme designation of such that takes care of the entire activities. They do client acquisition, they do business development, they do recruitment, they also cater to the franchisee development activities. Okay, as you can see, the franchisee fees for each of these are different. Just for your understanding, the channel partner is 1 lakh rupees. The tenure is 5 years. For unit franchise, it's 2 lakh rupees. Once again, the tenure is 5 years. Master franchise, 4 lakh rupees. Tenure 5 years, and global network partner also goes for 5 years, and a franchisee fee of 10 lakh rupees. So these are the various models by which someone can join hands with SMBA consultants. Moving on to the next part. So I have already explained to you the global network partner. Let's talk of what will be the revenue stream. So I have talked of what are the investments. So you guys must be thinking, "Arey, where is the money coming back from?" So how we get the money back in recruitment? If I talk of a unit franchise in recruitment, a unit franchise stands to earn up to 80% of the billing amount. Okay, of whatever the billing amount is, 80% is given to the franchisee partners. In payroll, 40% of the net billing revenue is also can be earned by the franchisee partners. Whereas in Learn Academy, that is online training, for a bronze partner you get up to 40%, moving up to 50% for gold partner as well more than 800 crores. For franchisee acquisition as well, if you have introduced a new franchise partner with SMBA consultants, you also stand to earn 10% of the total billing amount. Now, This is a big wall of text I can understand. I'll take you through the cost benefit sheet. This is the franchise tax for a unit franchise, taking an example of. So what is this all about? First of all, you guys can probably see the franchise cost that is mentioned at 2 lakh rupees. Like I said, for unit franchise, the franchise fees 2 lakh rupees for a period of 5 years, right? Moving onwards, what might be the other costs? There's an optional cost of 75,000 rupees for IT infrastructure. Okay, by IT infrastructure includes the paid job portals. Okay, once again, this is an optional cost. The in-house database of SMBA consultants would obviously be made open to you. However, it is advised that if you have a paid job portal, it will make your life and your working much easier. Okay. Moving next to the working capital. Working capital we have taken as 60,000 rupees. I believe we have a query from Mr. Akshay. Shall we take a query now? Yes, Mr. Akshay.
Yes, Mr. Akshay. Anything you want to ask? You can unmute yourself. Okay, actually, we will be having a question answer session. So, post sort of completing it, we will be asking you to pitch in. I will. We will be explaining you. So, sort of kindly continue and complete this particular aspect. So that
right.
Mr. Akshay
Right, fantastic. Akshay, we shall be getting in touch with you. Just stay online, just check out this like the cost benefit sheet. So, like I was saying, working capital has been estimated at 60,000 rupees. So, this is divided into the salary for your staff. I'm presuming 2 recruiters at 15,000 rupees. Mind you, guys, these are probably the high end, the highest assumptions that we have made. We are presuming 2 recruiters for 15,000 rupees. You can also get good people working with you for 10 to 12,000 rupees as well, depending on your location, right? We have kept 15,000 rupees for digital marketing, for SEO and SMM activities. We have also included a co-working space for 10,000 rupees, as you can see. A small clarification. This business can very well be started from the confines of your home itself. There is no requirement for office at the very initial moment. Okay. However, if you want to look for a co-working space, you're more than welcome. However, if you want to save your cost at the initial phases, you can very well start it from the confines of your home. Okay. Furthermore, we have also maintained the cost of the telephone and internet and miscellaneous expenses to be 5%. So this brings us to a total of 60,000 rupees, right? So, moving on to the professional fees. Okay. So professional fees, how we are earning the professional fees. Now, for the 2 recruiters for which we had a salary of 15,000, they shall be having a target of 6 times their salary. Okay, that will be the target that will be given to them. So 15,000 into 6 brings us to 90,000. However, we take into consideration that probably the achievement might not be 6 times every month. We are taking into consideration that they will be only making 50% of the target that's given to them. Still, with 2 people, you are getting a recruitment fees of 90,000 rupees, of which 20% being the royalty, that is 80,000 rupees, goes back to the head office. Okay, you're still left with 72 by. Okay, moving on, we have the professional fees for e-learning division. Considering they are promoting 100 student logins per month, it's 20,000 rupees. Payrolling fees, starting off with 1,000 employees per month, it's a fixed earning of 20,000 rupees as well. So if you do the math, okay, you come to a total of 1,12,000. Okay, 1,12,000. Now take away the working capital from this that you invested in very first of the month, and you are still left with 52,000 rupees, right? This slide is clear, I hope, or else we can, once again visit this. Let's move on. Let's talk to the ROI. Okay, what Gauravji was saying earlier. So, how much does the business basically get? Let's look at the cost that you're incurring. The franchisee cost is 3,333 rupees. So, 2 lakh rupees for a period of 5 years, 60 months rather. It's 3,333 rupees. Total cost, once again, an optional cost, but advisable that you take it. For 12 months, it's 75,000 rupees, bringing you a monthly average cost of 6,250. Okay. Now, and your monthly expenses, that is your working capital, like I explained in the sheet earlier, it's 60,000 rupees. So if you do the math, it's 59,583, right? That is your total outflow that flows out of your pocket. Now, how much are you getting back? Your net inflow is 52,000 rupees from the calculation that we did earlier, your net inputs. So if you do the calculation, your monthly ROI would be the total revenue by the total, total inflow by the total outflow, okay, as a percentage. So that will get you to 74.73%. Or if you round it off, it's 75% ROI, returns on investment per month. Okay. So relating to that to the ad that you showed seen earlier. So what is the ROI? That is the ROI. We are very much we welcome everyone with open arms to have a discussion regarding the ROI because we are confident of the calculations that we have made. Moving onwards. So what do you get if you join hands with us? Okay. So for if you join hands with us for a period of 5 years, okay, you get the brand portfolio usage license for 5 years that is worth 5 lakh rupees. FAM support, franchisee account manager, that is the franchisee account manager is is operating out of the head office that guides your team to earn your revenues better. A FAM support for 5 years that is worth 10 lakhs. Access to training and SOP materials of the head office worth 1 lakh rupees. Subsidized pricing with Vakil Search and job portals worth 2.5 lakhs. Knowledge products like the e-learning division products that we already have in place, the PDFs and the videos have already been prepared. So that's 1 lakh rupees. Okay. Access to internal CRM worth 2.5 lakhs. Okay. So that brings us to a total of 22 lakhs. So that is 11x return on the investment.
Saurabh, if we can please show us the slide, the even X value, it will be helpful for us all.
You mean this one?
Because it's not visible.
Can you not see it?
Sorry, I cannot see it from my end. So anybody, can you see the 11x value page?
Because this is the most important slide in the entire presentation.
Right. Please continue. Actually, so Saurabh, we are unable to view it. Gaurav sir is also saying if he can show that page to us. Yes, now it's visible, Saurabh. Please go ahead.
Fantastic. Okay. So this is just a snapshot of our e-learning team. So this is this is a snapshot of what are the courses that we offer. I request everyone to come visit our pages to understand what are the courses that might be on offer. And some of the clients with whom we have worked with FMCG, Printing, IT, ITES industries. These are some of the other corporate houses that we have been associated with for a very long time. Solar, tourism, automobiles, e-commerce, hygiene, retail. We have also dealt with some of the international clients as well. So these are the some of we are working with the sum of around 852 clients now. So we have just incorporated some of the bigger names that we are the market leaders of each of the respective industries. Moving ahead, this is our a small snapshot of our presence. Where we are located east in Kolkata and Bhubaneswar, north Delhi and Lucknow, in west we have Mumbai, Pune, Kolhapur, Goa, south Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad. Okay. And this is the image of us being awarded the fastest growing HR franchise. What are clients say about us? I'll not go through all the stuff. So these are some of the feedback that we have received from our clients, and some of the feedbacks from our current franchise partners as well. So you can understand. So how do you want to get in touch with us? So our phone numbers are given. We have the respective franchise development managers. You can get in touch with them right away. Or we are also present in most social media, starting from Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram. We are present everywhere. Check out our channels in YouTube. You will get interesting content every week. So this is a snapshot of our SMBA family, and that brings us to the end of the discussion. So we'll be open for any questions that might come up.
Thank you, Saurabh, for the entire process, the financial segment and everything. What are the investments we need to to do and how we can generate the ROI for the insights of it. So people, we are now open for questions. Anybody you are having any questions, any doubts, please, this is the time. Please come forward and ask your questions. You can unmute yourself and ask it straight away.
Also, another announcement: if you want to speak to Mr. Rajiv Ghosh, you can also get in touch with Mr. Rajiv Ghosh. Sir will be sharing his number as well, where you can get in touch with him. So you can have a chat with him as well to understand it from the other side of the table, like you put it. Yes, that's about it.
Yes. Saurav, you can chat to Mr. Razif's number so that a greater audience can take it up and have a word directly with him if needed. So, team, any questions you're having? I think today's session was very explanatory, but then also if you are having any doubts, any queries, you are having our contact details, please reach us to those numbers. Saurav is there. He is the best person. He can help you out with the insights of more elaborate manner. And also Gaurav sir also will be there. He can help you out with the legal aspects and all whenever it's needed. So I thank you all for your precious time, and again a special thanks to Mr. Rajiv Ghosh for taking out his time and helping this episode a much better one. And please visit our website www.smbaconsultants.in and please be safe and thank you for your time. Goodbye everybody.